What's going on, guys? What is going on, guys? Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. Wild day. Caught a long pre-NFP, and I tried shorting twice. I tried shorting two times. Two times today. I tried shorting the Dow Jones from that 15-minute order block down to the lows here. I tried shorting the NASDAQ from this 15-minute order block here. It retraced and traded lower, way too far for comfort for me to take a trade on that. But now what I'm looking at is this. We have this 30-minute SMT inside of this 30-minute gap. So I might still be able to take a trade here if we get a 3-minute confirmation here. I'm going to look for a 30-minute to 3-minute short on NQ. Let me take this. Oh, I can keep it actually. If we trade and inverse this gap here, close below, and then boom. I'm going to try and do that. If we inverse here, put my stop like close to the high, I'd short there. If we inverse this 3-minute gap, I'll take this short. But we would have to inverse this 3-minute. Have to inverse the 3-minute. If we could do an IFVG here, then I could take it. Live trading. Still here. Looking for NQ shorts and Discord. Boom. Boom, boom. I'm looking for the 3-minute because of the 30-minute gap tag. Oh, I gotta do this for up or side. A 30-minute gap, 3-minute market maker model. That would be fantastic. I did take a pre-market long on NQ this morning. Actually, my long was pretty fucking clean. I can't lie. Like, this was the easiest read for longs because we had the daily SMT at previous daily low here, and then we had a 15-minute chain to the save delivery and a 15-minute order block that I literally longed here. Or sorry, I longed. Yeah, I think I longed at like 7:45 or 8. Like before we even had anything come on for news. So I caught a nice little banger there. Now I'm just playing with some house bread. Let's see. Oh, the M5 IFVG? I mean, you could probably take that too. Like just short the 5-minute. Is that what you're looking at, Kieran? Could probably front run it and just take some. I might do that if we close. If we close here. All right, I guess I could take like fucking hell, that's so loud. All right, then I could take some there. Oh, I took too much. Why did it say that I have 2 on? I don't want that. Hold on, I took too much. I took too much. Sorry, I'm making your guys' ears bleed right now. I took too much. Well, good thing I actually closed that. I took like literally double the amount that I wanted to take. So I didn't really take a hit. Why is my copier fucked up? Hold on, guys. Why is this not working properly? I literally should be only taking one. That doesn't make any sense. I'm turning this off. I put 60 and it put 6 micros. All right, well, I'm going back to this. That's very confusing to me. That should not be the case. 20. I'm very confused. My copier is all fucked up right now. Did it do that on my other one? That makes no sense. All right. Well, I'm going back to the drawing board here, and I'm just going to take it at the regular risk that I had initially if we inverse this 3-minute. Because whatever just happened on my copier just didn't risk my proper thing. So I'm going back to the drawing board here. Like that. What up? Can't seem to pass an account. It's your lack of confidence, my friend. You have a lack of confidence in your trading. You're not comfortable with your executions. You're not comfortable with your model. Yeah, no, I went back to the drawing board here. I went back to the 3-minute. I'm kind of happy that I over-risked myself so I can close the trade. A blessing in disguise. Vig, get yourself some sourdough bread and honey. Sourdough, toaster oven, make it nice and crispy brown, and then drizzle honey, and then some good peanut butter. And if you want to be extra, put some salt on it. So that you're high on carb. Actually. This is like my favorite sourdough. It's like thin crust. See how thin that is? It's already made. I can't fucking make it myself. I need a girlfriend for that one. Speaking of that, your boy's got a Valentine. Who would have thought, huh? No, dude, I'm not making no sourdough myself. Hell no. They're all seasoned out. Bro, I played the game. I played the game way too long. You boys got battle wounds, bro. No, it's a good one, though. She's a good girl. What is happening? Yeah, that is kind of crazy. But who knows? I don't know if I'm settling down yet. Moving everything, baby steps. Time's gotta be right, bro. Everything's gotta be perfect. And what I'm doing is just testing the waters. In the meantime, I'll show you guys why I took longs pre-NFP. Let me set my alert here. Set my alert at this low here. So pre-NFP longs came into play before we had this SMT at the previous daily low. Well, there's the execution for you guys to see. Longed here, TP there. Go to daily time frame. There was an SMT before this with the Dow Jones pushing higher, NQ driving higher from the SMT. You go to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame. This was the SMT that we had at the lows, just like this. Then we also had this hourly bullish Ferrari we were trading within. You go to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame had a bullish up close candle here, or a bearish down close candle here that ran short-term lows. We closed above it, and then I literally just simply took a long within the 15-minute bullish Ferrari gap here. My stop loss was resting here, and then I targeted a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It was probably the easiest read NFP that I've seen in a long time. Like, easiest. Yo, what is your you guys have a weird obsession with gold. And 90% of you that trade gold lose money on it. Like, please tell me what you guys see here. Please tell me. Where are you seeing zells? What is this? What do you like? I literally can't. I can't. This is what you are trading this week. I have been getting so many people saying, check gold. It's so clean. It's so clean. You are literally looking at this. You are delusional. You need to get glasses. Gold had its days, and now people are trying to catch back onto the train, and now it's getting beat down. And you don't want to trade this. This is ridiculous. I could not believe that drop off that we had today. Fuck. Where did that go? Yeah, they're definitely going to ask me about oil next. I think that NQ ends up just hanging around here, bro. And this is kind of looking shitty. All I trade is indices, bro. All I trade is indices. Orange juice analysis. What's orange juice analysis ticker? And is there a ticker for apple juice? What the? Is this actually orange juice? Or am I bugging? Indices have made me so much more money. So therefore, I don't need to trade anything else. Actually, in the meantime, I'm going to do this and get this ready to post on Twitter. Bang. This was a 4-hour hourly. This was actually such a clean move. Like, it's actually ridiculous. I literally woke up and longed here. Where's the fucking... the arrows? Oh, here. NQ's dropping right now? Actually? While I'm doing this? Hold on. All right, I pasted that. And I'll go back here. Back to the 3 minute. Back to the 3 minute. Is there an SMT? Is there no SMT? Fuck. There's no SMT. I can't do anything. I literally can't take this trade. I dead ass cannot take this trade. On what, the 15? Oh yeah, the 15. Vig, is that enough for you, bro? Oh yeah. Maybe a 30, I guess maybe a 30-minute SMT. Like that can get recreated, maybe like a resweep of YM. But like you would want a 2-stage crack at least, right? Like if you get a 2-stage crack, I feel like I would have to have 2-stage. At least that. I can't go against my main rule that I always preach. I can't do that. I would get fleeced. But I'll watch it with you guys. I'm already up on the day, so I really don't care. I already made my 2R. Like that closure on that 3-minute was pretty clean. I set an alert at the high on if we get a 30-minute or a 15-minute SMT, then I can take the short. $4,000 a month is I just saw a TikTok shop ad of a dude putting on lipstick. Maybe we get a push on the Dow here. Wait for the Dow. If we can get that SMT on the if we can get that SMT, I would take it. We need to see this. And the Dow to run this. Dow runs that high, creates a 30-minute SMT. NASDAQ fails. And then short. So close. If we run this high here, we will. If we run this high here on YM, we will have SMT. Come on, we're like literally so close. Come on, YM. Just a little bit higher, brother, please. Nice. Don't leave those relative equals. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Just go take the high out. Holy shit. Go. A little higher, higher. Come on. Take it the fuck out. Take it the fuck out. Bang. All right, good. Now we have an SMT in the 30-minute and the 15. Now I want to see price drop from here. If price doesn't drop from here, then I have no value in this trade. This is why we always wait for an SMT, my friends. Always. Pre-NFP was bullish. And then post-NFP with the SMT at the daily highs, bearish. But the SMT was what tipped its hand for everything. Yeah, this is literally its last chance. It has to drop here. Has to drop here. Dun, 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 dun. Why the hell would I sell at current market price? I need confirmation, and then I'll sell.
I don't know if you guys remember, but I hit my hand on my desk really hard at the end of the stream for some reason, and bro, my knuckle is bleeding. I cannot.
All right, guys. Well, we got ICT watching my stream today. He said clean action is back. No trades. Leader Stone's got 0 entries, like 0 for value gaps. So we're gonna now rate Blake's stream because I'm bored. We're on here with Blake, 10:25. All right. All right, everyone's spinning that shit. Everyone leave a like, follow. Oh my god.
I cannot be the only one that will.
Huh? Gosh dang.
I cannot. I cannot be the only one that.
Da-da-da. Mm-mm-mm.
be the only.
Dude, I could take a nap right now if I wanted to. We're getting this drop off really nice on the 3 minute for NQ. If we get this 3 minute IFPG, I'm going to short it. If I can't get an entry before fucking, what's it called, bro? If I can't get an entry before 12 o'clock, then I'm done. It is within this 3 minute order block, though. $12 is definitely my cutoff time. Why am I selling now, dude? You're like erratic. If we inverse this 3 minute, I will execute. I'm not selling now. That's not, I don't have confirmation. Okay, you keep telling yourself that. Vig, I don't know how I feel about this from how slow it's moving. Not sure how I feel about this. Damn, still didn't inverse that fucking 3 minute. Jesus. Holy fuck. Yeah, I literally can't bring myself to do this. Oh my god. This is moving so slow for me to do anything. Take my W and walk away. This thing has been doing literally nothing. Like, look at this shit. This is not proper displacement for me. It's actually atrocious. All right, let's do this giveaway for you guys. Let's do this giveaway. All right. Make sure you guys are liking the stream for the giveaway. I am going to announce the winner in 45 seconds. $45 seconds. $20 seconds. I have the word. Just get ready to type the word out. 10 seconds. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. The word is legs because I have legs today in the gym. Legs, 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 legs. Got it. All right. It's Yash. Yash DHIMAN 4850 and Ram Prashad 060. I need some names that I could actually pronounce here. Those are the two winners of the giveaway for the 50K accounts. You guys need to open up a ticket in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord, and then they will get taken care of you. They'll issue your accounts. If you are still watching this trade, you can take this if you want. I don't like how we've just been consolidating and doing nothing. I think the price still does end up going lower. If we inverse this 3-minute fair value gap, then you could probably take the shorts down to these resting lows here at 25.580 or 580 25.58. But yeah, that is going to be it for me. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. I'll be YouTube live on my YouTube channel tomorrow morning at 9:15 for a New York AM session. But anyways, I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Be safe, and I will see you in the next stream tomorrow. Deuces, y'all.